In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your HubSpot calendar link to sequences. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're managing customer communications and need to streamline the process of setting up meetings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to embed your calendar link into your email templates, making it easy for recipients to schedule a time with just one click. Let's dive in, starting by accessing HubSpot. First, navigate to the HubSpot homepage. You can easily find it through a quick web search if you're not sure of the exact URL. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. Be sure you have your login credentials ready so you can quickly access your account. After logging in, you'll land on the HubSpot home screen. This is your hub for all HubSpot related actions you'll take. Next, you'll want to look for and click on Library. The library section is where you can manage various resources, including email templates, which are crucial for this task. Once you've entered the library, your focus should shift to the templates section. Click on templates button, which will bring up a list of your existing options. Now you'll need to decide which email template you want to work with. Scroll through and select your desired email by clicking on it. Upon selection, the template will open up, ready for you to customize. At this point, you want to look for and click on the Insert option within your email template. This will allow you to embed various elements into your email. From here, the key action is inserting your meeting link. Look for the meeting link option and click on it. And there you have it. Your HubSpot calendar link is now seamlessly integrated into your email sequence template. This small step can significantly enhance your efficiency by allowing clients or colleagues an easy way to schedule meetings directly from your emails. Remember, if you encounter any issues along the way, HubSpot's support resources are a great help, including guides and community support. As you become more comfortable with these steps, you'll find yourself saving time and effort, making your email communications much more effective and user-friendly. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to add your HubSpot calendar link to sequences. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and look out for more tutorials designed to make your life easier with HubSpot tools.